Well, as you can see, we've popped down on the beach and got ourselves in a slight little predicament and got ourselves bogged. So today I want to show you a new product that we're trialing. It's called the GoTreads. These are a traction aid coming out of the US. Uniquely different in that they're quite, when they pack away, they're about this size, unlike big traction boards. They join together via hinge mechanism. There's a little hinge here on each of them. What you really need to do is you need to lay that out underneath the wheel like a normal traction aid, and then use that to pop yourself up. Now the shape and the design of them is interesting in that, can you see, it's sort of like the scalloped shape with deep ridges, and the idea of that is the shape of it should assist pulling your tyre towards the centre of the actual tread itself. So all we really got to do now is do like we would normally do in a recovery, clear the sand away, put the GoTreads in underneath, and let's see if it pops us up and gets us out of this little predicament. Well, there you go, I've prepared it, I've dug out the sand out of the way, and I've positioned the GoTread ready to go. I've got the lip just underneath the front of the tread of the tyre, and as you can see, it's about 1 metre long. So all we need to do now is jump back in the car and just slowly accelerate. You don't want to gun it, all you really want to do is just get that tyre up on the tread. Once you've got some momentum, then just keep on going and get yourself out of the bog. Let's give it a go. Okay, so it was relatively simple and easy to do. It wasn't a difficult bog in this situation, and they popped up and worked nicely. They have buried in a little bit, alright, so where they first bit in and grabbed, you can see they've gone under. Being black against the white, you can sort of see it. If it buried it a bit further, you might be in a bit of trouble. But really all you gotta do now is pick it up, get a bit of a tap out, fold is the number 1. Number 2, and look at that, that's it, it's done, ready to go back in the 4B for the next time we come to the beach and get ourselves bogged. It's the GoTreads.